Shraddha here. Hope you are doing good. So today's dish is yam pattis, which is also called as suran tikki. It's a very healthy and a vegan recipe. And this is a vegetable which is not enjoyed by everybody because most of the kids I know that hate suran, that is yam, including me. So this recipe is, one very good and delicious recipe which can be enjoyed by all, including the kids. So let's start the preparation. So let's start making yam pattis, that is suran pattis. So I have got here 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, or maybe less because I've added already for boiling the yam. Some chili flakes, that is 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder, and this is cumin powder, 1 teaspoon. This is 2 tablespoons full of oats powder, and this is chickpea flour, that is besan, 2 tablespoons. And this is, I have ground chili, garlic, ginger, coriander and salt together. I've just crushed, you can say a little more than crushing, a bit of grounded form, and some coriander leaves I've chopped and kept. And this is our suran, that is yam. I've taken 800 grams of yam, maybe 800 grams full yam, but after cutting the skin it must be approximately around 650 grams because the skin is too thick of yam. I've boiled it with turmeric, salt, in the pressure cooker or in the pan you can boil. I have boiled in the pan because you cannot overcook the yam. So let's start the preparation now. So now I've taken a big bowl. I'll be adding this boiled yam to this. So let's start mashing the yam. You have to mash it very nicely. So now it is mashed well. I'm going to add one by one other ingredients and then we'll mix it well. This is chickpea flour, that is besan. Now I'm just adding besan for crispiness. If you want to skip it, you can always skip it. Also, instead of oats, you can only add besan, or instead of besan, you can only add oats. Oats tends to make little softer patties, so I've added the besan too. Both are healthy. Some chili flakes, cumin powder, chili powder. Now salt, I'll be adding very less because I've already added salt while boiling the yam, and also as I've told you before that when I crushed the ginger, garlic and coriander and chilies, with this I've added a bit of salt. So I'll be adding the entire thing. I've put almost 4 to 5 chilies, 1-inch piece of ginger and 5 to 6 cloves of garlic and some coriander leaves for crushing. Now I'll be adding this coriander chopped leaves also, plus this is coriander powder. That's it. So all our ingredients are added. Now I'll be mixing it thoroughly. So our mix is ready. Now I'll be making very thin or not very fat also, just a medium size patty. Now very important thing which I would like to tell you all, if your mix is sticky, you can just coat it with breadcrumbs and shallow fry it. I'm going to shallow fry. I'm not going to deep fry this. Okay, so I've taken this, just rub little oil in your hand and just make this size of patty. So I've kept the patties ready. Now I'll be shallow frying it. So I've kept a pan here. I'm going to pour some oil. As I told you before that I'll be shallow frying, not deep frying. So we don't need much oil, just to touch the entire surface of the pan. Let the oil heat up. So I'll just start placing the patty in the oil. Slowly just drop it. So the patties are now being fried in the oil. I'll be just flipping it now. We'll just see if it is cooked one side. Yeah, it is. So let's flip all of them. So I flipped it and it has turned a bit of golden brown. Now the other side also I'll be cooking for 2 minutes and then we'll take it out, or maybe we'll flip it again and see and cook for some more time. So let's flip the patties once more. See, it's turning golden brown. So this is the last time we are flipping, and then we'll take it out because it's cooked. So our yam patties is ready. It's a very healthy and vegan recipe, and it's a very quick and easy dish to make too. So if you have loved the video, please like, subscribe and share with your family and friends. Thank you.